chairpersons, professors, for training and research of both staff and students created in 2010, Regional Center for Strategic.
It became necessary to restructure and to reorient the whole of the world economic and political order. I think we are going through a period such as that, and we must respond to changing and evolving circumstances. This is why President Rajapaksa thought it very important to develop strong relations with those parts of the globe which have been comparatively neglected for a long time. When President Rajapaksa assumed office, we had only 4 resident missions in the entirety of the African continent. Since then, we have established diplomatic relations with more than 20 African countries. We are opening out to Latin America. That region of the world is important for us for many reasons. As you know, Sri Lanka produces more than 80% of the world's cinnamon. Cinnamon, we are the major producer of cinnamon. It is very high quality cinnamon. And where do you think our markets are for spices? They are in Latin American countries. We are establishing strong and robust relations which serve us well in dealing with some of the problems that we are now confronted with. This does not mean that we are turning our backs on our traditional friends. But while retaining and even fortifying our relations with the Western powers, she used the word superpowers, we are looking at new relationships as well. There is a widespread feeling today among the international community, whatever we mean by that, that there are some things that are going horribly wrong with the manner in which the international order is structured and applied and operated at present. If we are to give new life and substance and vitality to the international order, one thing is necessary more than everything else. What is necessary is that the world must see that there is justice and equity and fairness in the manner in which international organizations are run today. The resolution against Sri Lanka was sponsored by 36 countries. 33 of those countries came from North America and from Europe. 33 out of 36. Now, does that represent international opinion? There is totally inadequate recognition of the legitimate, the very difficult achievements of this country during the last 5 years. At the other end of the spectrum, there is a section of the diaspora which has not given up the dream of Elam. The objective is there, only the methods are different. It is no longer military means, it is economic means to try to isolate our country, and diplomatic pressure through institutions like the Human Rights Council.